In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your graphics card on Windows 10. Knowing what graphics card you have is really useful, whether you're troubleshooting issues, checking game compatibility, or planning an upgrade. In this guide, I'll walk you through a simple way to find that information using tools already built into Windows 10. Let's start on your Windows desktop. First, move your mouse down to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and click on the search box or the search icon. In that search field, type Device Manager. You should see Device Manager appear in the results as a desktop app. Go ahead and click on it to open. Once Device Manager is open, you'll see a window with a long list of hardware categories that your computer recognizes. This list includes things like keyboards, processors, and network adapters. What we're interested in is the category called Display Adapters. This is where Windows lists your graphics hardware. Find Display Adapters in the list and click the small arrow or plus sign next to it to expand the section. Underneath, you'll see the name of your graphics card, or in some cases, more than one entry. For example, many laptops have both an integrated graphics chip from the processor and a dedicated graphics card from another manufacturer. Each of those will be listed here. Take note of the names you see. That text is the exact model that Windows detects. You can use this model name to look up more detailed specifications online, check driver updates, or compare performance. If you're recording this information for support or for a friend who's helping you, it's a good idea to write down the full name exactly as it appears. If you don't see anything under Display Adapters, or if there's a warning symbol like a yellow triangle, it might mean that the correct drivers are not installed or that Windows is having trouble recognizing the device. In that case, you may want to visit your computer manufacturer's website later and look for graphics drivers that match the model you just found, or use the automatic update option inside Windows. When you're finished checking your graphics card, you can simply close the Device Manager window and return to your normal desktop. That's all there is to it. You've successfully checked your graphics card on Windows 10 using Device Manager.